1 AM na at nakakadalawang meals pa lang tayo. Nawawala tayo sa momentum. Kailangan natin bumalik sa momentum bukas dahil yung body clock natin sobrang fucked up na. Kailangan natin matulog ngayon para bukas maaga tayo makapag-fasted cardio and maaga tayo makakain ng meals natin. Makompleto natin yung 5 meals natin. Good night and I'll see you tomorrow. One for me and another one for me. So, para sa breakfast natin for today, dahil 7 to 9 weeks out na lang tayo, 7 and 9 weeks out na lang tayo, 100 grams of oatmeals na may 2 scoops of whey protein and 5 whole eggs. And so guys, andito tayo sa Banawe ngayon para i-meet si Mr. John Garcia. Hey bro! So, ang gagawin namin, mag-gym kami sa condo niya. Tama ba? Tama ba? Tama ba? Grocery shopping muna. Tapos, ito lang sa condo mo. Alright, so mukhang malayo-layo pa ata itong condo ni Kuya mo Bonbon. San ba tayo, Kuya Bonbon? San ba tayo?
Ano yung condo, tapos bibili tayo ng bibili tayo dito sa Wilco ng iyong chicken breast.
Bibili pa nga pa na muna, no? Dahil wala silang chicken breast. Nakiki-condo na naman tayo dito sa condo ni John Garcia at may meal prep tayo. 2:30 na ng hapon. Ang last meal ko kanina is nasa mga bandang 10 AM. So nalipasan tayo na 4 hours ng gutom. Pero ang protocol kasi is every 2 to 3 hours ka dapat kumakain ng meals para yung metabolism mo nandiyan pa rin, nag-work pa rin. Meron tayo ngayong bell peppers and sirloin steak. Bell peppers for fibers and steak for protein. Kasain tayo ngayon ng rice, ng white rice, ng may black rice for carbohydrates. So ang game plan ngayon is kakain tayo ng pre-workout meal natin. Papakita natin mamaya kung ano kakainin natin. Pero ngayon, lutuin muna natin ngayon to. Game. Second meal, meron tayong 57 carbs, 48 protein, and hindi ko alam kung anong fiber yan. Hindi siya masyadong heavy para pagdating natin sa gym mamaya. Para pag nag-workout tayo mamaya, hindi tayo masyadong bloated at hindi tayo mahirapan magbuhat. So mamaya, destruction tayo, pero ubusin muna natin to. Done with the second meal slash pre-workout meal. Papunta namin gym ni Mr. John Garcia. Bali, condo gym lang tayo. So expect natin, limited lang yung equipment. Pero utilize natin lahat yun. Kayang-kaya yan. Kahit ang equipment, kahit isang barbell lang yan. Kakayanin natin. Let's go! So, destruction tayo ngayon, guys. Ibig sabihin, dudurugin natin yung delts natin. For example, yung shoulders natin. Para pagdating natin ang men's physique, meron tayong shoulder gaps para hindi tayo mukhang straight at medyo gumanda yung T-taper. For the first movement, ang gagawin natin is reverse military barbell press gamit ang Smith machine. Lagay natin yung pinky natin sa... Ay, hindi. Actually, ako personally, mas gusto kong ring finger yung nasa line ng bar. Tapos, sabante tayo konti dahil reverse niya. Tapos, pangra, boom! Hanggang dito lang tayo guys, hanggang dito lang tayo sa may banda. Ear level natin. Pagkapunta dito sa ear level natin, not lower, hindi pwede dito, kailangan dito lang banda. Angat. Contract the scapula. Gamitin natin mind-muscle connection, gamitin natin yung delts natin. Boom. 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Gawin natin to.
I said I got this, none of this radio pop shit. I dropped this, turning back the clock to rock shit. I cop it, said knock knock, I'm on this. I'm hot bitch, like a hot bitch, it's not I'm locked in, I got this, radio drop this. Hot shit, just watch this, I fucking promise. So lit, do not miss your chance to cop this. Will you capture it, or just let it slip? Or to say I wanna be in, cause my rap is tight. No really, they just give a fuck that I ain't black and white. I'm not anyone else, man, I'm one of a kind. So stand back, relax, and listen one more time. I said I got this, none of this radio pop shit. I dropped this, turning back the clock to rock shit. I cop it, said knock knock, I'm on this. I'm hot bitch, like a hot bitch, the top lit. I said I got this, none of this radio pop shit. I dropped this, turning back the clock to rock shit. I cop it, said knock knock, I'm on this. I'm hot bitch, like a hot bitch, the top lit. I love the girls that fuck with my music. Getting referrals from the girls, love to booze it. Party and lose it, that's the life I'm choosing. Not losing, that's my 2 cents, so use it. You know I'm back, as a matter of fact. I'm better than ever, never been better. I know that, I wrote that. Sipping on some coke and no jack. Could stare and bitch and take a pic. Kodak, I threaten the game, cause money and fame, they don't affect my brain. It's fucking all the same. I'm sick of hearing about these Insta names with Insta fame. Take a pic, sick, you're lame. A quick fix to shame. You lick dick for fame. A thick chick is lame. A chick picked to lame. I think I've gone insane. I think I've lost my brain. And honestly, I'm a motherfucking novelty.
Done with the first intense killer exercise, and now we're on to our next superset naman tayo ngayon. So ang una natin gagawin for this superset is front raises. Para siya sa frontal delts natin. Ang kailangan na form natin, chest popped out, contract your scapula. Ang ipangaangat natin is yung delts natin, hindi yung traps. So kailangan chest out para hindi yung traps yung nagagamit natin. Pause for half a second or 1 second. Dito. 10 reps each. Walang swing, walang momentum na nagaganap. 1 second pause, mas maganda. 1 second pause, mas maganda. Walang swing. Walang swing. After 10 sets, tatakbo tayo dito ngayon sa plates. Kukuha tayo ng 10 kilo plates. Tapos, raises ulit. Butt out, chest popped out, contract your scapula, then boom. Eye level ulit. Kada angat natin, walang kahit anong swinging momentum. Dahil superset naman siya, 3 sets lang ang gagawin natin of 10 to 12 reps each. Okay. First set tayo ngayon. Magsisimula tayo sa 10 kilos. Front raises. Chest popped out. Contract your scapula. 1 second pause. 1 second pause.
Said I got this, none of this radio pop shit. I dropped this, turning back the clock to rock shit. I cop it, said knock knock, I'm on this. I'm hot bitch, like a hot bitch, it's not I'm locked in, I got this, radio drop this. Hot shit, just watch this, I fucking promise. So lit, do not miss your chance to cop this. Will you capture it, or just let it slip? Or to say I wanna be in, cause my rap is tight. No really, they just give a fuck that I ain't black and white. I'm not anyone else, man, I'm one of a kind. So stand back, relax, and listen one more time. I said I got this, none of this radio pop shit. I dropped this, turning back the clock to rock shit. I cop it, said knock knock, I'm on this. I'm hot bitch, like a hot bitch, the top lit. And I got this.
First flies. Bent over flies. Kung anong tawag doon. So, bale, buha ka ng lightweight dumbbells. Bent over. Straight back. Boom. flies, reverse flies. Gamitin natin yung rear delts natin. Third set, same weight, lightweight pa rin tayo. And then actually, dadagdagan natin para sa size 25 pounds. Tignan natin kung makaka 15 reps tayo ng clean reps. Alam ko hindi na clean reps pero fourth movement natin, lateral raises. So, kailangan retract your scapula. Hindi importante kung dito manggagaling pa ganyan or dito manggagaling pa ganyan. Basta may mind-muscle connections tayo sa medial delts natin. Mas maganda kung yung elbows natin mas mataas kaysa sa wrists natin. Yung iba kasi ginagawa nila, tinataasan na lang ganyan, mali yun. For me, pinaka-effective and mas magandang form is mas mataas yung elbows. Light lang, di masyadong heavy, pero high rep tayo. Dahil kakot tayo, 7 and 9 weeks out. Let's go. Fourth and last set, Fourth and last set, let's go! Last set, best set. 40 pounds, 25 reps. Try natin. Last movement natin, arms, superset, triceps and biceps. First movement ng superset natin is dumbbell hammer grip, skull crushers. Lipat tayo sa biceps after na to. Bale, attack your scapula ulit. And actually, mas maganda pag medyo lagpas yung ulo mo dito sa bench. Mga ganyan galagpas. Tapos, imbis na perpendicular dito sa katawan natin yung arms natin, slightly tilted ng ganyan. Kahit nakapos. Down and up. Mind-muscle connection. Squeeze pag akyat. Extend pag yan dito sa baba, sa eccentric. Squeeze sa taas. Ganun lang. Pwede tayo mag-heavy. And then after nun, baba tayo dito. Hindi natin bibitawan yung dumbbells. Curls tayo. Ganun lang. 12 to 15 reps each. Gawin natin. Last set, best set. Extend. Squeeze. Extend. Squeeze. Nakakapagod. Technique ko dito. Ilalabas ko yung pinkies ko. Tinitwist ko outwards para full contraction sa biceps. Ganyan. 2, 3, 4. Late ko gago. Ang late ko dun gago.
I said I got this, none of this radio pop shit. I drop this, turning back the clock to rock shit. I cop it, said knock knock, I'm on this. I'm hot bitch, like a hot bitch, it's tough. I'm locked in, I got this, radio drop this. Hot shit, just watch this, I fucking promise. So lit, do not miss your chance to cop this. Will you capture it, or just let it slip? Oh shit, I wanna be him, cause my rap is tight. No really, they just give a fuck that I ain't black and white. I'm not anyone else, man, I'm one of a kind. So sit back, relax, and listen one more time. I said I got this, none of this radio pop shit. I drop this, turning back the clock to rock shit. I cop it.
Post-workout meal, sirloin steak, and basta black rice plus white rice. 57 carbs, and again, 48 protein. Siguro na sa mga banda 10 fats. Last meal of the day, 4 ounces of chicken breasts, boiled chicken breasts, and 2 scoops of whey protein. At kung mapapansin nyo guys, wala tayong carbs ngayong last meal of the day natin, yung last supper natin. Alam nyo kung bakit? Hindi ko na alam kung bakit. Nakita ko lang na ginawa siya ni Brandon Hendrickson, kaya gagawin ko rin siya. Why not? Tangina, men's physique champion siya. Mr. Olympia champion siya. So gayahin natin. Solid workout session, literal na destruction. Literal na winasak namin yung delts namin ni John. First time kong mag-workout ng ganun ka-intense ulit in 5 days dahil nasa batok ko. Solid pump. Na-complete namin yung program namin. And yung nutrition, nakain ko lahat ng meals ko. It was a good day for my nutrition and training. Sana magtuloy-tuloy na tong ganito. Kasi 7 weeks out na lang tayo. And naghahabol talaga tayo. So, I'll see you guys on the next video.